Hi everyone, it's Eric here with a quick afternoon update on this Tuesday, and as promised, it's a much more humid day. It's a little bit cloudier as well. Here's a live look outside at 2:04 p.m. in Niles. Some fair weather cumulus clouds there. A little bit more overcast down towards Columbiana, where it's even trying to rain just a little bit. I think I see even a couple of drops maybe on the camera here. Here's a look at Storm Tracker 21 a little after 2 p.m. We've got a shower or two down in Columbiana County, right around Lisbon, maybe Guilford Lake, and head up towards Columbiana. It might be a sprinkle or so, but that is about it. We're not looking at a lot right now, and I don't think there's going to be a lot for the rest of the daylight hours. Now, could you see a passing shower? Yes. I can't even rule out a thunderstorm, but overall, we're not looking at a lot of precipitation. You'll see that here in our high-resolution futurecast for the rest of the daylight hours. Just real spotty stuff. It's after sunset and towards later this evening that we have a better chance of getting wet, maybe between 10 and midnight, with perhaps another round of showers, outside chance of thunder overnight, around maybe 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. So good news if you have outdoor plans for the rest of the daylight hours. Not a lot of raindrops, but a few out there. So keep your Storm Tracker 21 app handy. You can track it on the interactive radar. Boy, is it muggy. Dew points have risen to about 70 on average. It's a big change compared to yesterday, and this is going nowhere in a hurry. Look at these afternoon dew points all the way through the weekend, probably around 70, kind of like today, maybe even a little higher. It is a very sultry air mass that's getting set to drop anchor over the region, and with that will come increasing chances for wet weather, particularly by the weekend. And between now and Monday, two of our medium-range models here, the European model and the American GFS, are both kind of singing the same song as far as rainfall amounts. Now, take this with a grain of salt, because there surely will be different amounts throughout the region. But as an average, as a starting point here, I would suspect a lot of us get a couple or a few inches worth of rain over the next 6 or 7 days. That's good news. It's drought-denting kind of rain, but we don't want too much at one time. The soil is very dry, and if we get some tropical, slow-moving downpours, a lot of the rain just runs off that dry ground instead of being soaked in, and that can lead to flash flooding. So that'll be particularly a concern, I think, by the weekend, but even before the work week is through, we might have some tropical downpours here and there. I'll see you tonight on 21 News at 6 o'clock, and don't forget about Weather for Weather Geeks. That'll be online by about 8:30 this evening on my weather blog, on our station weather page, and on your Storm Tracker 21 app.